Dell provides enterprise and data center trial licenses for evaluating advanced features on iDRAC. In this video, you will learn where to download and how to import them. For an overview of the features offered in the various licenses, please check the iDRAC user guide at dell.com/manuals. You can find the license download links in the Knowledgebase article 176472. Once downloaded, extract the zip file, then log into your iDRAC. Navigate to Configuration and Licenses. Under License Options, select Import. Click Choose File and browse to the .xml file you just extracted. Double-click the file or select it and click Open. Then click Upload to proceed. The iDRAC will show a success message and refreshes the page. For more information on importing licenses, please refer to the Knowledgebase article 145345. Thank you for watching.